What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create or open your ChatGPT account. So I'm going to take you through the process step by step. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the end. Continue supporting the channel by subscribing and helping me get to 5,000 subscribers. So with that being said, just a brief intro to those of you that are not familiar with what ChatGPT is. So ChatGPT is simply a search engine driven by artificial intelligence. So in simple words, you can relate it to Google, but it's more advanced than Google because it can do multiple things such as solving complex mathematical problems. It can write essays, blogs, codes, or programs. So I find it very handy because it can solve or do complex things in only a short space of time. So with that being said, let me show you on how you can sign up and also a glimpse on how ChatGPT works. First things first, I'm going to launch my web browser, and then on the search box there, I'm going to type chat.openai.com and you click on search. So it's going to bring you to this site where it's asking you to log in if you already have an account or to sign up if you're trying to open a new account. So what we're trying to do is sign up, and then we see how ChatGPT works. So I'll click on sign up. You're going to be brought to this display that's asking you to enter your details, which is your email. So you need to make sure that it's the email that you are currently logged into or that you can easily have access to, because you're going to receive a verification code using the email. So I'll enter mine quickly. So if you're okay with that, you click on continue. So I'll quickly create a password. So if you're okay with the password and it's ticked that it contains all the necessary characters, you can click on continue. So as you can see, I've received my email. So I'll open. Okay, so that's the email that I received. To continue setting up your Openai account, please verify that this is your email address. So all you simply do is click on where it's saying verify email address. Okay, so as you can see, email verified. So once you are done with all this, you click on the top there where it's saying done. Then we'll go back to the browser, Safari. Okay, so we've been taken to the next step where it says tell us about yourself. So I'll enter my first name and my last and the birth date. I've been brought to the other stage where it's asking me to verify my phone number. On the left side where there's a small flag, you can simply click the drop down box. So these are all the various countries available. So you simply select your country, and then once you're done, you enter the phone number. Then I'll click on send code. So I need to solve this puzzle in order for me to be taken to the next step, because it has to verify that the account is being opened by a human being and not a robot. Use the arrows to rotate the animal to face in the direction of the hand. So I received the code on my small phone. I'll enter it quickly. So as you can see, this is just a basic preview of ChatGTP. So you can read all this stuff. So if you're done, click next. So as you can see at the bottom there is please don't share sensitive information in your conversation. So I'll click on next. And then that's the last one. You can go through that, and once you're okay, you click on done. Okay, so this is basically how ChatGPT looks like. So you've successfully created your account on ChatGPT. So there are various questions here that you can click on depending on your interest, or if you haven't found any question that you would like to ask the AI, you can simply send the AI a message. So you can say, what is the most programming language? So as you can see, it's actually giving me a response in real time. So ladies and gentlemen, this is ChatGPT, and that's the question on top. So if you like the response that it's given you, you can simply give feedback by giving a thumbs up. What do you like about the response? So you can say everything. It's good. So for those of you that are interested in programming, or if you want to learn programming, you can ask it to write for you a simple code. So you can say, write me a simple programming code. Okay, so as you can see, that's a simple programming code in Python, and that's the response. So in simple terms, that's how ChatGPT works. So you can ask even simple questions like, what's the latest Mercedes Benz? Okay, so it's giving me a feedback. So all in all, that's how ChatGPT works. It's a very useful platform to conduct your research if you're a scientist, or if you're an engineer to carry out some basic calculations, or anything that you love to do. If you're a programmer, it can teach you how to program and whatnot. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. If you learned one or two things on how ChatGPT works, I'll really be glad if you give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll gladly respond to each and every one of them. Thank you for sticking out this far. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.